choices. So with Christmas right around the corner, it is time to start thinking about gift ideas for your friends and family. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you my 6 favorite kitchen appliances to use. Now, these are appliances that I use in my kitchen all the time. They are easy and convenient, and that is what I am all about. And of course, you can find all of these products in the description box below. I will link them for you guys if you want to purchase them. So let's go spice things up.
All right, number 1 would have to be my rice cooker. Now, a rice cooker is beyond easy to use. All you do is add oil, rice, and some water right to the line. And we use a rice cooker every week. You just put the lid on and then press a button to turn it on. After about 15-20 minutes, your rice is done. All right, number 2 would have to be, of course, my Instant Pot. Instant Pot is beyond easy to use as well. All you do is throw in your ingredients, turn it on manual, set to whatever time you want, and then of course you can use anything on the side and turn it on sealing, and however long you are cooking something for, it will be done. And of course, if you mess up, you can turn it off and set a different time. I use my Instant Pot every week easily, and I will link recipes down below if you want to know how to use it. All right, number 3 would have to be my Keurig. Now, we are big coffee drinkers. We have a coffee station, and I love my Keurig. It is beyond easy to use, and I'm able to just push whatever size cup I want, turn it on, and it does not take very long to make your coffee. And so when I'm rushing in the morning to get to work, I just put it in and it is done. All right, number 4 would have to be my air fryer. Now, air fryer is beyond easy to use. You just set the temperature, and basically it kind of works like an oven, and it takes half the time that it would take in the oven. This one has a nice big pan in it, so therefore you can cook a whole chicken. I will link that video below. And it's so easy to use. My husband never wanted one because we have a deep fryer, and once we got it, he was really impressed with it. It keeps it nice and crisp on the outside and juicy on the inside. So this is definitely a must-have kitchen appliance. Number 5 would have to be my electric tea kettle. It is super easy to use. You just fill it up with water and then press the button. It lights up to let you know it is on, and it heats up. Now, we use ours if we are going traveling, if we're in a hotel room. We heat up our coffee like this, or we heat up water for a cup of noodles or oatmeal. Anyways, and then it just boils, and then it turns off when it's ready. Number 6, what do you think it is? It is my Ninja blender. Now, I use this all the time when we are making smoothies or a million other things. Now, it comes with 2 different sizes. One is more for food processing. What I like about it is it's super safe. It has to line up perfectly for it to even turn on. And then you press that to release to open it up. It will not turn on unless that is locked into place. And it is super convenient. This is what I love.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my 6 favorite kitchen appliances. And of course, if you want to purchase any of these products, the links will be in the description box below. I will try to link them to Amazon so they are quicker and faster to your doorstep. Well, thank you guys so much, and have a safe and happy holiday season. Bye, and see you in the next video.